How do you calculate electric power? I just cannot find it.
P equals VI.
Miss Wall, we might as well be right till 1 o'clock.
All right. Hopefully Kiki got the invitation. All right. So yesterday we talked about magnets, right? Let's go back and review ever so briefly. How many poles can we have?
2.
What are their names?
North and south.
North and south. All right. Can a monopole exist?
No.
No. Everybody with us on that?
Yeah.
All right. Now, what are the rules for attractive forces? Opposites will do what? Attract. Like will do what? Repel. Now. All right, Nadia, stop talking. Because you got it. I know that. You've got it.
Let's go.
All right. Now, on a magnetic field, this is what I handed around at the end of class, and I'll hand some around tomorrow.
Everywhere
Alright.
a magnet is felt.
This is an area where a magnet is felt.
A is attraction or repulsion.
Episode 15.
Let's try inviting her again.
Today?
He got some food.
Oh, Kiki, figure out I sent you an invite. All right. So, yesterday, I told you to draw this. All right. You're going to, tomorrow in lab, have 2 magnets. All right. A north and a south will be marked on a bar magnet. And these are called bar magnets. All right. The one I drew yesterday that looked like a U, that's called a horseshoe magnet. This is called a bar magnet. Why do you do not? No, this is why I say snake. And I have to keep flushing those
I'm not
things
gonna
out.
actually yesterday. I just need some dissertation. I just need you had some.
Burn.
So you just strolled in the middle of my class to steal half my dish detergent and interrupt.
She said,
Actually, it's
Yeah.
technically
Get out.
1/16.
Get out.
Your dissertation.
Get out.
It wouldn't have been that much of rookies.
If you wouldn't interrupt.
No. You're not coming to my class to that stupid stuff. Get out.
Get out. Shut up. Pick it up. No, you don't want to knock it down.
Now, when you look at a bar magnet, we're going to take iron filings tomorrow. All right? And the iron filings, we're going to sprinkle. Now, when they're attracted, the iron filings are actually going to make an arcing pattern between the north and the south pole of the magnet. Now, not only are they going to do this between the north and south of these magnets, they will do it on the north and the south pole of the regular bar magnet that is here. It will almost look like a circle, and I will show you how to do this tomorrow on the lab sheet.
What is that, dots?
They're dots.
Where you got dots? Let's just draw lines.
Now, you draw a thoroughly crappy picture tomorrow in the lab, and you get a thoroughly crappy grade. And some of y'all are going to be really pissed when I grade this one, because your picture looks crappy, your grade looks crappy.
you gotta draw it like that.
You got to draw it so it looks like the iron filings on the paper. I'm just telling you that ahead of time.
So what if we draw in our lines like not straight?
You draw it in your picture, doesn't look like what those iron filings look like on your piece of poster board, and your grade looks bad. I'm just putting it out there. Now, it doesn't have to look like you're an art major, but it has to look something that doesn't look like a bunch of lines like this, which is what some people draw for me on your lab sheet. Because if you draw that, I'm not going to take it. I'm just going to write -20 on the picture and go on.
There were a lot of dots.
She said, oh, well.
Only my head.
You would say no bad.
He ripped this.
What happened? What happened? You okay?
And we wanna go to the dentist.
What happened?
He ripped his tooth out.
No, have you saw that there was something on Instagram, Miss Wall.
Go put your laptop up.
There was something on Instagram, Miss Wall. This girl, she was at the dentist, and they put her upper lip up, and she had like maggots in her.
Okay, shut up.
That was bad.
Zeb, why would you think I would want to know that stuff?
I mean, I was just telling her.
She had maggots in her lip, bro.
Yeah, like at the top, like right here. Like every morning I get up and I look at them like, oh no, that's nasty.
Everybody caught up.
Bro, in her mouth though, bro. In her mouth.
I wanna say something, but that's really inappropriate.
Just hold it there for lunch.
I am.
Thank you. Now, where is the maggot? The magnet, the strongest. All right, most people want to tell me it's the strong here. It's not. All right, or it's the strongest here, like in the middle, but it's not there either. The magnet is always the strongest at the poles. Okay. Now, and a lot of times when we fill out the lab sheet, it'll be the strongest. People say at the ends. All right, the poles. All right, these are the poles. Okay, right here. That's the pole at the end. Okay, so that's where they're the strongest. So tomorrow, when you're doing this, where are the bulk of the iron filings going to be then?
At the end.
At the ends are the poles. So when you're filling out the lab sheet, you should be talking about them in terms of the poles. Don't write the ends, because if you write the ends, I'm going to take points off. Okay? Yes, I do.
She ain't playing this time.
Remember, part of the course is learning to use the correct vocabulary, not just writing down the word ends.
I need some more water.
You can hold it for a few minutes. All right. Everybody have that?
Yes, ma'am. Give out that. Go ahead. Everybody got it.
Everybody there?
I got it.
I can't believe I.
Say what? Okay. Everybody else got it?
Yeah.
All right. How will the bar magnets look then when they repel? All right. For north and south, they're going to do what? They're still going to have that round structure because, they're still attracting.
But north to north is going to be weird.
North to north then will be weird. All right. You're going to have them come out and sort of push away from each other.
If you look at it to the side, that kind of look like that one little brother up that shirt. Like got the short shorts. It was like a cartoon shirt. I forgot. He was a good old dude. What about why not my Aunt Indian? You know that?
Your what? Your aunt is what?
Indian. I'm Trinity.
Oh, I didn't know that.
She is.
Okay.
That was me. I know.
Okay.
She looked back like. She know how to do it sound like her. Got me at the door, didn't it?
It didn't. I can tell when the door opens and my eyes closed.
You can
The pressure.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
The pressure changes in the room.
All right, close your eyes. Let's see.
Don't turn it.
Oops.
Close your eyes.
Sam, shut up. Oh, there's Kiki, finally.
Yeah.
There, Kiki.
Ow.
Yeah.
How are you supposed to do what?
Yeah, you know,
Huh?
you know it's family now. Hey, hey, you know it's family.
Hey, what else?
I drew a dots. The reason I have some lines is this pen doesn't work real well for drawing dots. Not all the time.
Be something in the water.
Well,
No.
It doesn't have to be.
Hey,
I stayed up last night watching that thing, man. And I was there.
All right, now the next set of notes goes with Zeph's comments yesterday when he said the magnets wouldn't stick to the faucet. All right. Magnetic materials have a special name. All right, they're called ferromagnetic. All right, ferromagnetic. What does it mean to be ferromagnetic? That means iron based. Now, not all metals are magnets. That is the biggest thing that I want to point out. Okay, most people think that all metals are magnets. Not all metals are
but I guess, but there wasn't nobody in the room.
magnets.
But there's also in the room.
But guess what?
Okay, and they're not. Right? Not all metals are magnets. They're not. That is the biggest thing you need to keep track of.
You ever think about going
Only
back to being
certain
gym
metals are magnets, and they have to be what kind? Ferromagnetic. And I'm getting ready to tell you which ones those are. All right, there are only 4 that y'all have to know. They are iron, steel. Biggest part of steel is iron. Cobalt? Nope. Nickel. All right, those are the 4 that y'all have to know. Yeah, but it doesn't have to be. We'll just take it off if you want. Respelled either way. I'll take it off. Huh? Iron is the actual element. Steel is iron and carbon combined.
Fake all the time, but he knows he gets screwed.
All right, and those are the 4 that are ferromagnetic. So any of those 4 metals will be magnetic. Okay, so if you have, like, a lot of big trucks are made of aluminum, can you stick magnetic decals on aluminum big trucks? No, they will not stick. A lot of cars now have panels on them that are made of fiberglass. So they're get a magnetic decal that will stick to those parts of the car. No, you got to find someplace on it that's actually going to have steel on it.
As soon as I got that, I was like, I knew.
All right, everybody got that?
Before I even opened the
All
door.
right.
So you don't need a dog to sniff that out.
Just look this up too. Some of the things that
All right, there are 2 types of magnets we're going to work with. The first lab we're going to do works with a permanent magnet tomorrow. What's a permanent magnet? Just like in English class. What's the word permanent mean?
Couple, and they asked.
Okay. All right. So this is a magnet that's
2 bottles.
magnetized.
They take time to smoke.
Let's just say for a long time.
You said you surprised that after.
Have you ever had a magnet at home that loses its
Half of the
magnetism?
Hey, some of them.
That's
No, baby, half of y'all team smooth.
Okay. All right. We're going to talk about why that happens.
Smooth.
Maybe today. Probably not. They'll probably be
I heard a couple of
All
them.
right. Over time, some magnets can lose their magnetism. But the ones I gave y'all yesterday, I've probably had for, I don't know, probably close to 20 years. And they've stayed magnetized because they sit in the tub and they don't ever fall off the refrigerator.
Two of the
And a
guys.
lot of times, what do y'all do when you close your refrigerator doors?
Slim.
Slam it, magnet falls off and hits the floor over and over and over again. So over time, they will lose their magnetism. Okay? But a permanent magnet stays magnetized for a very long time. Now, the second lab we're gonna do
But the Reggie,
is temporary magnet. What's a temporary magnet?
it's Reggie, right? Reggie,
That's right. A temporary magnet
Loud as that.
stays magnetized.
Yeah, loud is like.
Well, that stuff makes you look up the sky, that people talk down
For a
there.
short time.
Reggie's everything but.
Hey, Bud, when you spoke loud, what the heck?
Bro, Reggie not even in
Hey, you looking at
Right?
me?
I feel like I'm the only one in Mexico that don't smoke.
Okay? Anything that does that stays magnetized for a short
If I feel and listen, I feel like
time.
I might be the only one that listens to that don't smoke.
I mean, I think people smoke.
Like Sally Davis and all them, all them. I didn't know they smoke. They be getting it down.
Stays magnetized for a short time.
No, I don't smoke.
Okay?
Michael smoke.
Only those days it is in one.
Everybody got it.
See, he all not putting that in his.
Yes, magnetism.
Hey,
Travis, you smoke.
Anybody tell me?
My brother smoke.
Nobody?
Mm-hmm. Self, I not know Steph really smoke. Like what Miss Worley be at? What Miss Worley be at?
A
Maybe
force of
it was Christians.
what can magnet do? Okay, because it does what?
Smoking weed.
what?
It can what does it stick? What's it doing when it's
Yeah, Steph and them Miss Worley kids is Christians.
okay?
They all
Repel, or
go
what
to
else can it do?
church. You know how
Okay.
her husband's a
Or
Miss Worley.
What hood?
or
Sure sell.
He had preach at the church they go to too.
okay.
Cause I went to a church one time.
Due to
Okay.
They kids,
makes the magnet
they kids be blowing it.
all right, where's the
Word
charge
of
come
God,
from?
Jacob Cross and all them.
Okay.
Hey, what she know what he's
It was shocked when I found out Sally smoker. You know she preppy.
Due to the arrangement
No, she a junior.
of
Sally in ninth grade.
she went on down. He not down, but
exactly.
she's diabetic.
Yeah, Sally Davis.
I thought she was already graduated.
She don't even look like she's got it. Girl, they fool you.
Now,
Elizabeth Cook, all them.
what causes these
Now
magnetic
Elizabeth,
properties?
that girl can drink.
Yeah.
Yeah, Elizabeth Cook. Yeah, she can drink.
What causes them?
Y'all got some drunk and some smoke.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, she smoked too.
The definition.
That wouldn't be with me with it. If we some parents did some fuck.
Y'all football team finna be slacking this year.
No,
Yeah.
they sure would.
They only want it because it's legal. It's like, cool, legalize it.
And you know, I think that's the way it is. You legalize,
Exactly. Like the arrangement of the electrons.
take
What is
the
illegal?
16,
What is
half up, then drink for a little while, and then it gets so old to
I forgot one city you could just walk around and just smoke weed. It's one state that you can do that.
How works it? You gotta be in your own.
No, I'm talking about.
them. What do you mean that you can legally?
They raised the smoke.
So you saying?
All right. Now the magnetic domains are the pictures
I
right
know
here.
because I seen Facebook stories. And it's
Now the
scary. I'm saying.
domains are a region,
You had to do that shit. I got a Colorado
individual atoms.
smoking cage.
Not published.
Hell. Cause people be. My mama told me not to smoke weed, and I don't do it.
You are alive. Now, when you
Jameer don't smoke weed either.
all right.
Zakir Michael don't.
Now, a line for the most
I thought he played football with y'all.
goes
Or Mormon, that was you. Jameer played with y'all. Oh, we
direction.
don't. Jameer don't smoke weed either. No,
But you will see that word a lot with magnets.
yeah, me and
Okay.
Jameer don't smoke weed.
So once we have that
Oh,
particular
man, I love
line, we are done for today. I'll have to finish. I think it's-
Can you go back to
I am. Gotta keep the lights to do to be able to do a live.
First time I met him, He was in ISS and I had to go in there to cover ISS.
So, once we have that, we only need 2 slides and 2 pictures.
Oh, you gotta take a
We'll be able to
picture
do lab tomorrow. Pretty early in class.
I don't know how to do it. She ain't explained that to me.
Early, after the, whatever the test, doing the opening.
He said, oh, the one be Jamarius, yeah.
Yeah. First time I did it.
Everybody put their laptop back.
I went to
Yeah, it's like,
Card, and who's calculator, if you still have one.
Jamarius taking care of him like that's his son.
Work, I need to make up, I'll be here this afternoon. Thursday, so if you need to do it, come over today.
Hey,
You know my other side, my cousin, Shamar, they food, all them. Yeah. Yeah, and Shamar. Yeah. Got big. They be thinking that I call my brother, they think that's my brother. They my cousin.
Knowing y'all, anybody's guess.
You know my cousin Corey Williams? You wanna be with Jamarius? Yeah.
you know that kid, you know that dude that was with
You coming to school tomorrow?
That's Corey.
Huh?
remember that dude?
What you say?
I said, are you coming to school tomorrow?
Coming to school tomorrow.
Turn your volume up.
I can hear you.
Are you going to make up your lab?
Yeah, I'm coming to school tomorrow.
You're going to have to make up your lab.
No, Corey,
Okay.
right?
Oh
What'd you
yeah,
say, Kiki?
Shamar, they tired him. Huh?
I said, what did you say?
I said yes, I'm coming to school tomorrow.
Well, I was coming to see you yesterday and you didn't show up.
Oh, cause I wasn't there. I wasn't at school yesterday.
No kidding. I was coming to see you and you weren't there.
Oh, you coming tomorrow?
You know he's not doing.
I'm trying to come tomorrow. That's why I asked if you were
You
coming.
know he's not doing.
Huh?
Where's your speakerphone or your headphones?
I can hear you now.
I know,
I
man.
said I was coming yesterday and you weren't there.
I know.
Carter, you know.
Well, you're messing up my schedule when you don't show up for school.
I'm sorry.
Today I had another commitment first period. I couldn't come today.
Y'all got your chickens already?
I need you to come to school every day.
Okay.
So when I have time first period, I can come see you.
Okay.
Yeah, he did something.
Can you do that?
He got.
Your electricity stuff.
They said he
Huh?
got to.
I said, how are you coming on your electricity stuff that I sent you?
Oh, I don't know how to do that battery stuff.
Yeah, that's my.
We did that lab when you weren't here,
I know.
which is why I said you need to come to school.
I know. That's when you come tomorrow, you're gonna have to help me with that battery.
Okay, when you gonna be ready to take the test we just took?
I guess tomorrow. If you don't fail,
I'll bring it with me.
so my grades went up.
I gave you a 50 for the quarter. You ain't got any grades this quarter.
Oh, so I have to work on that.
Oh yeah.
All that stuff that you still have in your hands. Have you finished it?
You say what?
All those papers you still have. Have you finished any of them?
Oh, some of them I'm stuck on one of them.
Well, I need those so that I can grade some of them because those are this quarter's grades.
Okay.
Oh yeah, he said.
Because right now you don't have any grades. I'll be down in the morning to see what you got done.
All right.
I'll bring the test.
Okay.
Okay? All right, I'll see you in the morning.
Yeah, that's why you'll know it, 'cause
All right, bye-bye.